Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about using the FOIL method. But what does FOIL stand for? The F stands for first, the O stands for outer, the I stands for inner, and the L stands for last. We have this binomial here. These two are the first terms, so we multiply them together. X times x is x squared. Next, we multiply the outer terms, which are these. X times 3 is 3x, so we add it by 3x. Next, we multiply the inner terms, which is 2 and x, and 2 times x is 2x. And finally, we multiply the last terms of the equation, which is 2 and 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. Then we add the terms together, and it gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video.